And guys, you asked for Grok 1.5 on a mobile phone, free and unlimited. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can achieve this. But first, like the video, subscribe, and drop me a nice comment. Turn on the post notification so you don't miss my next upload. If you missed my previous upload on the PC version, okay, you need to check the description of this video and you'll find it, okay? So guys, let's get started. First, we need to head over to your Chrome browser, okay? The Chrome browser is what I'm using. I'm using Chrome browser, so I don't know yours, okay? Your own browser, whatever browser it is. So type in File AI. That's the first place we are going to go. And please take notes, okay? Take notes, the particular logo and the particular website, so don't click the wrong link, okay? If you click the wrong link, you will not be able to get the desired result, okay? The moment you sign in, you're going to be directed to this dashboard, right, where you're going to see all the models, like every model. They are all available here. If you want image to video, text to video, you just have to scroll through it, and every model, I mean, this is an open source, right? So once that is done, now we are going to go down, okay, and you want to explore our GROK 1.5, okay? So when you scroll down, you want to see explore models. Now that explore model, okay, you are going to click on it. That is where we are going to see all the models. Now you are going to be given the platform where you can search for any model of your choice. All right, so you can see this is amazing. So in your spare time, go ahead and check them out, okay? Click that search for models and all of that, okay? Type in just the word Grok. Once you type in Grok, you're going to see all the tools, all the Grok tools will be available, including imaging, okay? Now you can see this one is image to video. We also have text to video, Grok text to video. We also have Grok video to video. We have Grok image to image. So it all depends on you, what you want to achieve, okay? Now whatever you want to achieve, just follow this step, okay? The same way you want to use Grok 1.5, you use the same thing. So click on that anywhere around that Grok 1.5, okay? Click on it. Remember, you're not using a PC, you're using your phone. Once you click on it, right, we want to copy the link associated here, but this time around with a mobile phone. So click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to have these options that will be popping up. Once it pops up, you're going to see copy link address. Once you copy that, now we are moving to the next platform. So the moment you've successfully signed into the platform, okay, using your email, this is the interface. Always remember to set your mobile phone to desktop version, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and close this because I don't need it. All right, so if you look to your profile, where you have your profile here, you want to see free credits of 150, okay? Now this is you using a different email. This is my new email. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and start creating. But before you create, watch what I'm going to do. Now here we have create new file. So just click on that create new file. Yes, most time it takes time for the platform to load when you're using your mobile phone. So you might be experiencing some delay, but it doesn't mean that it's not going to work. It's working perfectly well. Just be patient and redo it until you get through it, just like I'm doing it now. All right, so let's keep this because you don't need it. So we are here giving a blank interface, okay, with nothing in it. So what are we going to do? Just hold on your screen and you're going to have this prompt coming up, okay? This, just touch your screen, just a touch on your screen is going to bring this up. We're going to say import model. So go ahead and click that import model and you're going to have this interface that pops up. Remember, we already copied a particular link from file platform. Do you understand? So we're going to paste that link here. Awesome. So once we're able to paste that link, beautiful. So we are one step ahead, okay? Now on this platform, just click on it on the screen. Click on the screen, and that thing that covered whatever this there will disappear, okay? So you can use your hand and adjust this, move this around because it's movable. Do you understand? So I can see what we need here is prompt, exactly as I did in my PC. Okay, there isn't PC, very simple. It will not give you all this headache, okay? But don't worry, I'm here for you, got you covered. So now we want to generate our this is image to video. Do you understand? So what we need is our prompt and our image. So what you need to do is to click on this image, your screen again, and you're going to see prompts, okay? Now the prompt box is going to come up Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can arrange this. You can highlight everything that is inside. Okay, I already have my prompts that I generated using ChatGPT, right? Beautiful. So this is my prompt. So we want to position our prompts very well, our models, sorry, our notes very well. So you can see here, if you can see, I want to connect my prompts here to this prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and click here to connect the prompt. You can see that, right? Beautiful. So we've gotten our prompt in. So what we need next is to bring in our reference image. Okay, click on this screen again and you're going to see import. This import is going to bring up this interface. Okay, let's zoom out so they can see what I'm doing. So at this point you need to bring in your image. Remember, you already generated your image using maybe Flow AI or ChatGPT, any of the free tools. Do you understand? So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. Okay, click the inside and then select photos and videos. Do you understand? And to take me to my gallery. Now the image that I saved is already here. Alright, so our image is here. I'm going to click on it and see it's automatically loaded here. Now this is what you're going to do. This part is very crucial because this is where a lot of people will get it wrong. So for you to be able to connect this, you need to also, the same method you did, let's move it. Move this. Okay, closer here. Beautiful. So we're already ahead. Now remember to connect this node here. So we now have our prompt and our image. Beautiful. Now like I said in my previous video, okay, if you watch the one I use PC to illustrate, you can see it is the same thing. Add images. So literally you can literally add, if you have 3 scenes, 4 scenes, depending on the number of scenes you have. Do you understand? You can go ahead and add your scenes here. You can see add more images, like add more images. So once you are done, you just follow the same step in the previous video and generate more and all your scenes. So just want to illustrate for those of you that said I should use my mobile phone to do it. So this is it. I've done it, and let me know what you think about this in the comment section. So once you are done with everything, you see everything is properly connected. Okay, now if you want to connect the export, so you just click on this and then select export. Select exports. Okay, now this is export, so we want to link this export. So for you to connect the node, you need to zoom in a bit so they can be visible like this. You see, connect it like this. Do you understand? So you need to zoom in, always zoom in so they can see the node. It's going to make it so difficult for you to, navigate. So guys, that is cool. So for you to see that it's still using 10 credit, just click on this around there. You're going to see 10 credit. We are done with everything, so I'm going to go ahead and hit this run. Now I said this, the same thing, the same pop-up. Yes, we accept. Okay, once you accept, you can look by the corner like this are your settings. Okay, now this settings is set to 6 seconds. You can literally increase it if you want it to be more, right? Like 15 seconds. And you see, so this is how you use it to run. Okay, so this is good. So you see task 1 running. So this is how you use this particular platform using your mobile phone. Let's watch and see the output. Here is the final output. Once we are done, okay, our image, our video is ready, right? This is our video. So once we are done, once it's done generating, the next thing you need to do is to come here and click export. Once you click export, okay, it's going to start rendering and it will download automatically to your mobile phone. This is like the second time I'm saving it, so it will bring me here, but I don't want it because I already have it saved in my phone. So guys, this is how you use this platform. Okay, all right, if you want to save it again like 2 times, you can go ahead and click this save and it will still save and to return you back to the platform. Beautiful. So that is how you use this platform. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. All right, so guys, until then, see you in the next one.